To get started, let's create a dist folder that holds all generated files separate from the source files. This wasn't a problem with Sass as we generated the CSS into a separate high-level CSS folder, but it would be with JavaScript because we don't want our source and distribution files to commingle. The process is pretty simple. We first copy our index.html into the dist folder, then generate our CSS into dist CSS, and finally generate our combined JavaScript file into dist.js. Since we've already got our CSS set up, let's change what's needed in our styles task. Here's our styles task in the grunt file, and we can see our destination is set to just the CSS directory. To make it show up under this dist directory here, we just change the destination to dist/CSS. And when we run gulp styles, we can see that the files have been generated and dropped in the correct folder. Next, let's copy the index.html and images to the dist folder. We simply set up two new tasks and call them something like copy HTML and copy images. In the copy HTML task, we grab the index.html file with gulp.source and just pipe it to the destination in the dist folder. For the copy images task, we do the same thing, but instead of copying a file or grabbing a locator to a file, we're grabbing all the files in a specific directory and piping them to our destination location. You'll want to set up a new gulp.watch next to the others that watches the original index file. You could do the same with the images, but they don't change that often. And don't forget to add the two new tasks to the array that's passed as part of the default task. Otherwise, the files don't get copied over the first time we run gulp. Just a final fix before we can see our page run again minus the JavaScript, which will come in a bit. You'll need to modify the browsersync.init function call and make it point to the dist directory. Now, I've already done this for you.